So it's March the 29th and we've put a net around the pond this week because of the seagulls having a swim in the pond whenever they fancy it. They did it last year as well and caused some bacterial issues, and over the winter we've lost a koi. Also going into spring with some bacteria issues or water, even though I've tested the water's fine, but we've got some problems going on with the koi, which is depressing, which we think it could be because of the seagulls, but we could be wrong. So we've got a few ulcers on the mouth. So they've just had a course of aclophavin? I'll show you the bottle in a minute. Anyway, they've had a course of that. So we've got an issue there on that mouth there. We've got a little issue on Rosie there on her mouth. Got a nasty one on, I'll show her, on its eye. And as you all know, guys, when that starts in your pond, it's very hard to get rid of any issues like that. So I've done a water change over the last 2 weeks. We brought the temperature up. It's now at 15. Gave them a course of antibacterial treatment, and as I'm crap at saying the names, I'll just show you what we put in to give them some helping hand. They had a course of this 7 days to try and help. Then I did a water change. Then I put some good bacteria balls into the nexus and raised the heat up. So we'll see how they go. The air domes on the bottom drains, did a live the other week doing it. Failure. Both pumps, both air pumps, far too powerful. So we've got a smaller one on the back bottom drain, and that's working okay. Front air dome not working at all. I think we burnt out the air pump, so I put a smaller one on. I'm just stuck in here. So that one's working on a 40 litre air pump now. That's just nice enough. So at the minute it's just concentrating on trying to get them back to good health and to stop the sores from continuing. Another thing we had is we did have an electricity blackout here in North Wales for a day, and it stopped the air source heat pump working, and I forgot to reset it. So a couple of days the pond went shot down to 7 degrees, which wasn't good for the koi, obviously stressed them out. That was about 3 days, and then I realised and reset it and brought it back up again. So they haven't got any worse, but it is a worry when it's on the mouth and the tail. There's one ear's got a tail, normally indicates the water bacterial issue, but all we can do is try and get it sorted out. There's some car pox going on as well. So great, that's the beginning of our koi season. There's some sores on the koi. We also at the end of the year did put some black covering on top of the roof of the koi to stop the sun coming in, but now it's a bit dark, so it's good for filming but not so good during the day to watch them from the conservatory because it's quite dark. So I think this shower here, I think we're going to have to pull out and treat it with the ulcer kit around its eye. Like I said, the big yellow ogon we had, that's gone. It died. So we're taking extra precautions this year with a net round to stop the seagulls going in and pigeons. We'll see how we go. Just a quick look around the garden. Start the season. The Ulcers are starting to come out. And I've got a clematis, a white one. It's going to go in that corner there so it can grow up through the bushes. It's a cold day here after it being so nice. Had to put some grass seed down on the grass. The dogs have ruined it over the winter, so we've had to put a higher fence along here because both French bulldogs were jumping it to get into the grass to chase our cat. So that's gone higher. The old wood pigeons are cooing up there. So the garden's just starting to come to life. If anybody's got any suggestions on helping the koi with the ulcers, let us know. I'm going to experiment this year and not clean out the filters so much. So I was alternating each Nexus one day and then alternates the next day, and I'm just wondering if we're just over cleaning everything and just being too over cautious. Just go back to the old school way of just letting the pond mature up and clean it when it's dirty. So that's it, just a quick update. These are starting to grow now as well. Everything coming awake. So I'll keep you updated on the situation with the koi. Some of them, like I said, not very well. Did do some water tests in the week. Water was fine, but obviously water tests don't show up bacterial issues, do they? So I've upped the trickle in as well, just to give it 25% water change every week, because I don't think we've been putting enough water changes in last summer. So we'll see you again. Thank you. Bye.